When I said watch your customers live, this is what I meant. I'm literally watching the customers' activity on my website. If I didn't have this app, I never would have known that the bundle feature I added on the product page makes it confusing for my potential customers to figure out how to add the item in the cart. As you can see in this video, this customer can't just figure it out, and customers sometimes can be impatient. They can only be patient for a short period of time before they give up. It can be annoying, and the customer can just exit out my website. Because of this, I can go improve the layout of that bundle feature to lessen the friction of the buying process and increase my conversions. And there you go, one unhappy website visitor. So what's the name of the app? Just search for Lucky Orange. You have 7 days free to explore the pro version, and after 7 days, you will be automatically switched back to the free version. It's super easy to install. Just hit install and then add your details and connect with Shopify. And there you go. You can go ahead and watch your customers live or watch the replay. Like and follow for more.